Hello friends, I am VM. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix no internet connection in streaming tool. Okay, let's start the video now. You see on screen, this is our Windows 11 operating system installed in my PC. Okay, now press Windows key and type here Windows. Now click on Windows Security Open option. Okay, now this is our security at a glance. Okay, now click on this virus and threat protection. Okay, now you see here option virus and threat protection setting. Click on manage setting. Now you see here real time protection. Just click on it for disable this option. Now click on this option. Okay, after this close this virus and threat protection setting. Okay, one more thing. Press Windows key and type power shell. Okay, now run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. This paste here command. I am already copy this command. Okay, paste this command in PowerShell. This command is available in my description. Okay, after this hit enter and complete this process. Okay, that's it. This simple step to fix this problem. Okay, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.